In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Slack. This integration can really help streamline your workflow and keep your team informed about important events and meetings. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. The first step is to open the Apps menu within your Slack workspace. To do this, look over to the left sidebar where you'll see a few icons and options. You want to click on the three dots which are labeled as More. This is your gateway to a world of extra features and functionalities in Slack. Once you're in the menu, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Automations. Within that section, you should see an option for Apps. Click on that, and this will take you to the Slack app directory where you can find all the different apps that work with Slack. Now that you're in the app directory, it's time to search for Google Calendar. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Google Calendar. You'll notice results appearing below, and you'll want to select Google Calendar from those options. This is the app that will allow you to sync your calendar events directly with your Slack workspace. After you've selected Google Calendar, you'll see an application details page. On this page, there will be an Add to Slack button. Go ahead and click that button, and this will initiate the integration process. Next, you'll need to authorize permissions for the Google Calendar app. This step is crucial because it ensures that the app can access your calendar data. Once you click on the button to add it, Slack will prompt you to review the required permissions. Take a moment to look through them to make sure you're comfortable. If everything looks good, click Allow. You will then be directed to sign into your Google account. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials for the Google account associated with the calendar you want to connect. After signing in, you may be asked to allow Slack further access to your calendar. Just click Allow once again to finalize the connection. And just like that, you've integrated Google Calendar with Slack. Now you can enjoy features like receiving event reminders, seeing what's on your agenda, and even scheduling meetings directly through Slack. It's an incredibly powerful tool to enhance communication within your team and keep everyone on the same page. No more missing meetings or double bookings. You'll receive updates directly in Slack, so everything you need is just a Teams message away. Make sure to explore the settings of the Google Calendar app within Slack to customize your notifications according to your preferences. This way, you can ensure you're only seeing what truly matters to you and your workflow. That's all for today's tutorial on integrating Google Calendar with Slack. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.